Hi, you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been such a long time. It's been almost 8 months since I've posted, but I'm back and back for good. So, for today, the theme of the video is going to be romanticizing your life in general and romanticizing weekends. Since I work on weekdays and I only have weekends to rewind and reset, so this is going to be like a very chill vlog, very like soothing and kind of inspiring. So yeah, let's get this video started. So first step of romanticizing life according to me is taking it slow. I am all in for slow living and I believe in slow living. So I got up really late. I just took it all in, had my breakfast. I was just chilling with no thoughts whatsoever and just trying to reset my day like so. After that, I had my shower and I am in my cute PJs. I'll show you in a bit. This is what I'm wearing. I'm feeling really cute in this outfit, and good outfit equals to good mood according to me. Next step into romanticizing my weekend is going to be skincare. Since my skin feels so flaky because I've returned from Himachal and it has gotten so dry, so we'll do our skincare together. I'm done with my skincare and my skin feels really good. Next step is going to be cleaning up my room. I'm so embarrassed by the fact that it's gotten so messy and we have to tackle these bags. Oh my god, my bed also looks so messy. We've got dead flowers and everything looks so bad and we're gonna tackle that. I am half dead since it took me 2 hours to clean. I underestimated it, but finally we are done, and I don't want to waste my Saturday. So I'm just gonna quickly get ready, and we are gonna quickly go to Banja, some cafe. We're yet to find out which cafe to go to. We're in mood for some avocado toast, so let's see. We'll find a cute little cafe and just chill, edit our videos, and do all of that stuff. So come along. Hi guys, I just got done shooting my reel, and she also got done shooting her reel, and
Check it out on my channel. Sorry, on my Instagram page.
this is how she keeps ruining my videos, but okay. And I feel. Let me speak. I feel so better already and I'm all set to go. I feel so girly and my outfit looks so pretty. I'm just gonna show you my outfit in a bit. But once we reach Bandra, we're planning to get flowers first. Where do we get flowers in Bandra? This is my first time. Hill Road. So we're getting some pretty flowers. Then we're gonna go to a cafe and continue our romanticizing journey, if one may say so. And yeah, come along. Hi guys, we finally got a cab after 3 cab drivers cancelled on us, and we're finally going to Bandra. We got down at Hill Road, and apparently there's no flower shop. She's making me walk so much. I'm gonna hit her right now. We've almost walked for 1 kilometer, and we still didn't see the flower shop. Hi you guys, so flower shopping was successful. I'll put the snippets there. After that we went to Noah by Nutcracker and the food was so delicious. We had bagel sandwich, one open avocado toast, and I tried this strawberry matcha latte for this first time and it was so tasty. I think I could be a matcha girly. Now the plan of action is that we are going to nature's basket because it is apparently bigger here than the one that we have back home. So we're just gonna do some grocery shopping and see where else we could go, or we might just go home after that because we are so tired. So yeah, come along. Hi, you guys. We're back home, and it was such a successful day. I also did some grocery shopping, as I mentioned earlier, and I'll quickly show you guys the items. This is the bag of grocery that my sister and I got. First up are these pearl millet noodles. They are apparently zero maida and has no preservatives. So we're focusing on eating healthy stuff in 2025. So all the items that you're gonna see is going to be whole wheat or healthy and all of that stuff. Next item is this zero maida bread by Health Factory. This is not the first time that we are having it. Is super amazing and feels so light on your stomach. We usually use this for making our avocado toasts. You're definitely gonna see this tomorrow when we make our avocado toast. Next up are these two things of epigame. One is in blueberry variant and one is the natural one which has zero added sugar. So this one is for my sister, this one is for me because I personally prefer the blueberry one. Next up is the only paprika powder. So I like to sprinkle this on my avocado toast, and I think it makes a little bit of difference and it tastes better. Next up is the baker's dozen pita bread. So it has 4 pita pockets, which again is zero maida. It has no palm oil, no preservatives, which is good. Next up are 3 things of avocado. We always prefer our avocados from Nature's Basket because personally, according to me, they sell the best avocados. And yeah, nothing much to say about it. I can share my guac recipe if you want. Last up are 2 things of blueberry, and this is the first time that we're getting blueberries from Nature's Basket, and I'm really excited. I'm gonna make my yogurt bowl tomorrow along with my avocado toast. So yeah guys, that was it for my grocery haul, and it is I think around 11 right now, and I'm just gonna go for a quick drive with my friend, and I'm meeting him after a long time. So we're just gonna meet and yap basically. And I really hope you like this video and you got an idea on as to how to take it slow and romanticize your life. And I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you like such videos, please comment down below. I'll make more such videos for you guys, and that is it. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.